Prime Minister is inaugurating this line, but the credit war continues as to who really deserves credit for this inauguration. The people say, well, we paid our taxes, the delays have been going on. What would you like to say?
Well, those who are now coming to try and take credit for this should answer where they were the last 3 years when there were multiple challenges that this line was facing. The DSCM did not come to help when the land acquisition delays were troubling this project. It was the Modi government, it was the Bommai Yediyurappa government of the day that was trying to expedite the land acquisition issue. 98% of the civil work got completed during the BJP state government's time. In the middle of COVID, when the visa issues were troubling Chinese engineers to come to India and set up assembly shop, show me one letter, a single letter that DCM has written to concerned authorities asking for these things to be...
Where they said that the state's contribution in terms of funding, in terms of land acquisition is far more than what the center has been contributing.
That is the rule. And the state has to contribute, but they must answer. Why did they not? Why did they not come forward to expedite all other issues? For almost 2 years, under this state government, there was no appointment of a full-time MD for the Bengaluru Metro. It was after my concerted campaign for almost 4 months that the state government appointed a full-time MD. Even today, the suburban rail does not have a full-time MD. Who is responsible for its appointment? It is a chief minister, deputy chief minister. The point is...
issues, fingers were pointed at your age and other aspects were pointed out. How do you look at that?
Well, this is shameless ageism that the DCM is involved in. What is most important today is we have got this project commissioned and the Honorable Prime Minister showed great urgency to come to Bengaluru and inaugurate this for all of us. In fact, when we extended the invitation to the Honorable Prime Minister, he said that this project cannot wait any further and that he is going to give time that very week to come to Bengaluru. That shows his commitment. So, those who are now trying to steal credit from the hard work of the Modi government, the work that elected representatives of the BJP put in, and most importantly, a project funded by the Bengaluru taxpayer, they deserve no credit. These very people tried to even steal credit from RCB for the IPL victory. You think they will not do this?